So, welcome to the cabinet press briefing of the cabinet meeting. Today in the cabinet, we had six formal items that were discussed. The first item was an amendment that we had made in regards to the disaster management department, where we have notified thunderstorm and strong winds other than cyclone as a state/local disaster. This is being done because in the past, cyclone was a local state disaster. But sometimes, in fact, more frequently now, we are having more damages because of strong winds, which are not really cyclone category. And then sometimes administration and officials are quite confused and they have to declare it as cyclone, but actually it's in the category of strong winds, but enough to cause damage. So to give clarity, we have decided that we will include thunderstorm and strong winds also in the list. That was the first agenda in the cabinet.